In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot if your email is supported within ChatGPT. This can be a crucial step if you find you're having trouble accessing the application, and often a few small tweaks can make all the difference in resolving your issue quickly. First, let's dive into the types of email addresses that are considered valid in ChatGPT. It's important to know that mainstream email providers like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, and ProtonMail, as well as custom domains, are typically supported without a hitch. However, any email that looks temporary or suspicious, like addresses ending with @mailinator.com or @10minutemail.com, are likely to be blocked. These types of emails are often used for disposable purposes and not recommended for regular account use. The best solution is to use a permanent email address, with Gmail and Outlook being highly preferred due to their widespread acceptance and reliability. Moving on, the next step is to verify your email formatting. It might sound basic, but ensuring your email address is typed correctly is essential. Typos occur more often than you'd expect, and a small mistake can prevent you from signing in successfully. Double check that you haven't added extra characters or misplaced symbols. Common mistakes include typing something like name at gmail.com or substituting a comma for a period as in name@gmail.com. Instead, make sure your email reads correctly, like name@gmail.com. It's a simple but effective way to eliminate one potential cause of errors. If you're still facing issues, the next thing you should try is clearing your cache and attempting to log in from a different browser. Cached information or cookies can sometimes interfere with current login attempts, causing unexpected errors. By clearing your browser cache and cookies, you're essentially hitting a reset button that can resolve these problems. If you're not sure how to do this, take a quick look at the settings or preferences section of your browser. Following this, if problems persist, switching to another browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari may also help. Different browsers handle data and cache differently, and using a fresh platform can sometimes bypass forgotten errors. Finally, consider trying a different sign-up option altogether if all else fails. Instead of signing up with an email address, you might want to explore other sign-in options available, such as using Google or Microsoft to log in. This method can sometimes be more seamless and provides an alternative pathway that circumvents email-related issues altogether. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to ensuring your email is supported when using ChatGPT. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve common email-related issues promptly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to enjoying your experience without any more hiccups.